Hello, Paul here again from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you the actual PCCM Plus for this 997 here. So let me get the keys first. Okay, here's the PCM with the ignition on. Comes on like this. See, a lot of this harness I had to take them out. Had to take everything apart. Here, there. Everything had to come out. So the AC panel, the rear spoiler panel, PCCM and all that, and all the wiring on this side here was pulled because they were all over the place, so I had to actually slowly take out one at a time. And look at this, they wired up everything like this to the actual cigarette lighter. That's really bad. No wonder it was heavy current draw. It's still on all the time, it's not even off. Okay, so I'm going to cut that, tape that up. I spend more time on this part here than doing this part here. Anyway, let's have a look.
Quality fuel today. Savings not guaranteed.
Digital radio.
711.com.au for T's and C's. That's the latest traffic.
Okay.
I'm Brittany Gorrell on 2UA 954 AM. The 2UA
You can choose from here.
stereo DAB.
Then you put a USB. Go back here. Media. USB. All right, so everything's working now. I've got to run the microphone and GPS, and I just finished putting the digital radio box into that corner there. Some have two, some cars have two, some cars have one, so you got to see one on that side there, one on that side there. Anyway, so I've got to put everything back together now, and then we'll get the customer to come pick it up tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.